Tumescent liposuction. Performed by Dr. Jeffrey Klein. Alyssa is one of his patients.
I have always loved the beach. I loved swimming in the ocean and lazing in the sand. But I was always conscious of my body, and I would cover up my thighs with my towel or wear shorts. And it makes me so envious seeing all the other girls running around in their bikinis.
Alyssa Pritikin just had a baby. Despite following a healthy diet and exercising regularly, Alyssa Pritikin could not lose the fat stored in her thighs.
Since he's been born, I've dieted, I've exercised, and this stubborn fat around my thighs just doesn't want to go anywhere. So it's time to make a change. I'm really excited to try liposuction, and I can't wait to see the results.
Alyssa went online and learned that tumescent liposuction by local anesthesia is a much safer procedure and greatly limits blood loss. That's how she found Dr. Jeffrey Klein, the inventor of the procedure. Dr. Jeffrey Klein is a dermatologic surgeon practicing in San Juan Capistrano and Newport Beach. He has conducted over 8,000 tumescent liposuction procedures. Tumescent liposuction totally by local anesthesia became the worldwide standard for most liposuction procedures. Surgeons from all over came to attend Dr. Klein's tumescent liposuction course to learn his technique.
Local anesthesia is much safer than general anesthesia because with local anesthesia, you're awake and breathing for yourself.
Safety and comfort are Dr. Klein's highest priority.
I was impressed with what I had read, and having tumescent liposuction done by the inventor himself, how much better could it get?
Alyssa made an appointment at Dr. Klein's San Juan Capistrano Center.
Morning, Alyssa. How are you?
Hi, Dr. Klein. From the moment I met Dr. Klein, he put me right at ease. He was very professional.
Okay, Alyssa.
His staff were so friendly and comforting. I knew I had made the right decision.
Hi, good morning, Alyssa.
Good morning.
Are you ready for your day?
I am so ready.
Alyssa changes into a surgical gown and gets ready for her surgery.
Oh, wow.
Dr. Klein takes several photographs of Alyssa before the surgery, to which the results of the surgery will be compared later. Dr. Klein draws the contour lines on Alyssa's thighs, marking the sections where the fat is deepest and where he will direct most of his effort. During the infiltration process, large volumes of diluted local anesthesia is infused into the areas marked. As you can see, Alyssa is wide awake and does not appear to be in any discomfort.
Tumescent local anesthesia is virtually painless when done correctly. Injecting tumescent local anesthesia requires special training and considerable skill. Once the area is numbed, the patient feels absolutely no pain during the liposuction.
The fat is sucked through a tube into a 1.5-liter canister. Almost no blood is lost during the surgery. The entire liposuction on both hips and thighs took about 2 hours.
I can't believe it's over. I feel a little numb on my hips, but other than that, I feel great.
It's not uncommon for patients to resume their jogging or weightlifting within 2 or 3 days of the surgery. In general, our patients return to see us in about 6 weeks. Okay, listen, you did great, and I'll call you tomorrow, and you call me if you have any questions, okay?
Okay,
Let's go
great.
find your husband.
Thank you.
At home, I carried on doing what I always did. I gardened, I shopped, and I cared for my baby. 2 days later, I was back at work as usual. I was told I couldn't see the results for 1 to 2 weeks because the solution they put in me was still draining, but I can feel the difference.
Okay, it's good to see you. It's been about 6 weeks since our surgery. And how are you feeling today?
I feel wonderful. I feel great.
Because Dr. Klein uses microcannulus, the incisions are very small. There are no scars, and the sculpting of the hips and thighs are much smoother.
This is so fantastic. I can't believe I waited this long to get this done. I am so happy with the results. Now I can enjoy the beach fully, just relaxing and playing with my baby.
Sometimes, liposuction can change your life completely. It can increase your self-esteem, improve your social life, and more.
I feel sexier and so positive about myself. My husband loves the new me, and our sex life is hotter than ever. Dr. Klein gave me my body and my confidence back.
I am very honest with my patients. I want to make sure that I can achieve what they're looking for. My ultimate goal is a happy patient.
So what makes Dr. Klein different from the rest? As the inventor of tumescent liposuction totally by local anesthesia, Dr. Klein and his team knows the technique extremely well and performs it expertly. With more than 8,000 liposuction procedures under his belt, Dr. Klein is on top of his game in skill and experience. Dr. Klein conducts courses on tumescent liposuction totally by local anesthesia and to date has trained over 700 surgeons on his technique. Dr. Klein never stops improving his technique through clinical trials, so his patients can benefit from the latest research. Here are some common questions asked by patients. I'm continuously struggling to lose that last 10 pounds. Can liposuction help?
First of all, it'll remove those unsightly bulges in a very discreet way so that it looks natural. But also, it improves your self-esteem and improves your self-motivation so that you will avoid that second piece of pizza and feel more motivated to say no thank you to the dessert.
My weight fluctuates up or down by 10 pounds. Am I a good candidate for liposuction?
Weight fluctuation in the range of 10 pounds is very common, but patients tell me that after liposuction, even when their weight is up, they can still fit in their skinny clothes.
I exercise regularly and I'm at my ideal weight. What can liposuction do for me?
Well, liposuction can take you from looking good to looking fabulous, both in clothes and out of clothes.
I have several areas of fat that bother me. Can I do liposuction on all these areas at the same time?
I believe that it's safer to divide this liposuction up into 2 or more procedures on different days, and patients do recover more quickly with smaller areas of liposuction.
Do you do laser liposuction?
Yes, we do laser liposuction. We've had experience with a number of different laser machines, and we're finding new applications.
What are the other reasons for getting liposuction?
Every patient wants to feel better about themselves. The common situations that patients describe are class reunions, weddings, big vacations, job interviews, and even after a divorce. You want to look your best, have self-confidence, feel sexy, look sexy, and liposuction helps.
Whatever your reason may be, Dr. Jeffrey Klein and his team have the experience and expertise to give you the best results you can get. Just like Alyssa, you can be a happy patient too. Just call our offices at Newport Beach and San Juan Capistrano and schedule a consultation. To view our photo gallery, please visit our website.